So Imply Pivot. So we use the tool internally, as I've mentioned that out of the box, yeah, Druid has the query layer that you can use, and with Pivot, it has features such as authentication and a lot of type of graphs are built in, so the components are already ready-made. So you could leverage Pivot to actually develop your front end and user-facing stuff, but we leverage Pivot internally to use within GA. So, for example, our support team wants to assist the customer with troubleshooting some issues, so they can actually drill down to almost raw data, looking at the data in Druid. So that's how we use it. So you can see here that there are many types of graphs, visualizations that can be leveraged with Pivot, and the list is growing. So we are considering to actually enable some of the use cases to actually leverage Pivot to do that instead of building our own custom solutions, as it works very well. And the interface, SQL interface, and Plywood interface powering this dashboards is quite feature rich, so easy to work with. So the next topic would be the monitoring of our cluster, as of course, when things go wrong, you need to know if your customers have bad experience or there is some issue with technical side of things. So we use Graphite and Grafana for monitoring of our query layer, which is the first thing we look at. I mean, if the query layer is stable, there are no errors coming, the request times are stable, then we can assume that Druid is performing well. In addition to that, we have monitoring of a real-time ingestion using CloudWatch, where we check for our Kinesis stream whether it's falling behind, so we can take action and create an alert for engineer to take action. Also, there is Imply Clarity, which we use to troubleshoot, drill down to find slow queries and issues when we see that our query layer is not performing up to the task. So it's very helpful, as it allows you. It's actually a Druid cluster that has all your metrics with pretty good precision up to a single query. You can see, you can check and drill down to troubleshoot it. There is a feature coming to Clarity called alerts that should soon be available. As far as I know, that's now available in main Imply for the main clusters. That will allow you to actually hook up to the your PagerDuty or alerting system. So that will be very helpful, as there are some metrics that only internal Druid monitoring can tell you and help you troubleshoot. So yeah, you can see here the dashboard of Clarity that shows you the performance of broker queries that you can filter by your data sources, for example, the query types, specific broker node, and see the slow queries and drill down to see what's causing them, what kind of data they access, and how to solve that problem. So you can drill down really deep, going to even a single exceptions, and separate individual server performance. So it's a very useful tool to, it's important to master it to really stay on top of your Druid deployment.